Printer Frame Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the two screws securing the toolhead cable to the X-axis motor cover, then unplug the cable. Open the Z-axis motor cover and disconnect the Z-axis motor. With the bed fully in the forward position, pull up the Y-axis cover at the back of the printer and pull it backwards to remove it. Remove the 10 highlighted screws which secure the base to the frame. Raise the Z-axis to the top of the frame. Lift and remove the base from the frame. Carefully support the weight of the X-axis and remove the 6 screws securing it to the frame. And set it to the side to install on the replacement frame. Install the base to the frame as shown, and secure it with the 10 screws shown. Connect the Z-axis motor and replace the Z-axis cover. Replace the Y-axis cover by sliding it in from the back, aligning it at the front of the printer, then pressing downwards as shown. Install the X-axis onto the new frame as shown, and fasten its 6 screws. Plug the toolhead cable into the X-axis motor cover and secure it with 2 screws. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.